you could hit, let her know what you with. You got a fella that you want. Need some more good love. Put your hands up in the air. Let them know that you care.
Hey y'all, today I'm gonna be showing y'all how I got this really cute middle part ponytail, and it was so easy to do. So without further ado, let's get into this video, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe while you are here before we get into it. Before I do anything, y'all, I'm just making sure that I brush through my hair just to make sure there's no naps in my ponytail, because I want a really slick ponytail. So make sure that you comb through your hair before you do anything. And after that, I'm just parting my hair in the back to where my very first ponytail is going to be. After I finish flat ironing my hair, I'm just going to go ahead and spray my Got2b glue spray onto my hair just to mold it down and then blow dry it. Make sure that you repeat this step with each section of your hair so that you can achieve the look of a very slick ponytail. Once I finish molding down each section of my hair with the Got2b glue spray and my blow dryer, I'm going to go ahead and braid my ponytail. I'm using the glue method, so in order to protect my real hair from the glue, I'm using some wrapping strips and I'm just wrapping that around my braid. Once you've put the wrapping strip around your braid, you can go ahead and start gluing your tracks and gluing it onto your ponytail. Make sure that you're wrapping around very close to each other and tightly so that you can achieve the look of a full ponytail. Now I'm just sectioning off the part of my hair that will be the base for my ponytail, and I'm just going to flat iron that and wrap it around my ponytail. As you wrap it around, make sure that you're spraying it with Got2b glue spray and blow drying it at the same time to make sure that it molds on your ponytail and does not fall apart. could not wait for this part, y'all. I love to wand curl my hair. I'm just taking my wand curlers and they're on the highest temperature, and I'm wrapping my weave around it and holding it on there for like 20 seconds to get the tightest curl. And that's it, y'all. This is how my ponytail came out and I loved it. Make sure that you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Love y'all.